Hey Evergreen Techies! Welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips, where we decode technology and help you stay safe online. Have you ever worried about website data leakage? Well, in today's video, we'll show you how an antivirus on your PC can be a game changer in stopping data breaches and saving the day. Let's dive in. Picture this. You're running your business website smoothly, but suddenly, sensitive data begins leaking, compromising your users, your brand, and your peace of mind. Sounds terrifying, right? This exact scenario happened to someone recently, but luckily, the antivirus on their PC became their knight in shining armor. So, how does antivirus software on a PC help in solving website data leakage? Let me break it down. Detection of malicious activities. Advanced antivirus software can spot unauthorized access or malware trying to infiltrate your system, even if it's targeting your website. Scanning vulnerabilities. Most antivirus tools are equipped to identify and alert you of vulnerabilities in your connected networks and devices. Real-time protection. They provide real-time monitoring, blocking threats before they can cause damage. Data encryption. Top-tier antivirus programs also encrypt your sensitive information to prevent exposure during a breach. In this case, the antivirus detected malicious activity on the website's admin panel and immediately quarantined the threat. Now let's talk about the steps they took to solve the issue using their antivirus software. Step 1. Immediate threat. Quarantine. The antivirus flagged and isolated the malicious file or activity responsible for the leakage. Step 2. Deep system scan. They ran a full system scan to identify hidden threats and vulnerabilities. This helped ensure no stone was left unturned. Step 3. Vulnerability fix. Using recommendations from the antivirus tool, they patched up the weak spots in their website configuration. Step 4. Real-time monitoring activated. Finally, they turned on real-time monitoring to catch any new threats immediately, preventing future breaches. This case is proof of how essential good antivirus software is, not just for your PC, but for your website security too. It adds an extra layer of protection that can save you from costly, reputation-damaging data leaks. That's it for today, folks. If this story gave you valuable insights into the importance of antivirus software, smash that like button and share this video with your friends to help them stay safe too. And don't forget to subscribe to Evergreen Tech Tips for more tips and real-life tech stories. Stay secure, stay tech-savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.